Hey everyone, Gil or Gray Man Prepping. Well, I got an unbagging and an unboxing. Let me show these here to you. Got one and other box. All right, yeah. So I got two things here to open up for you, and these are both replacement items of something else I got. So let me. I'll start with this one here with the. It has a zipper on it. Oh, yay! It didn't go all the way. Dang it. There we go. There, now it did. Try to get this out of here. Dang. Tight fit. There we go. I can't do the box toss, but bag toss just isn't the same. Okay, so what I got here, starting to look good here. Oh, I like this. It comes with a zipper bag with another bag inside. Working it here, squeezing it. Okay. Well, I saved this bag so I can reuse this one. And this one we're saving because this one here is a vacuum bag. Let's see, of some sort. Let's see if we can get it open here. Is that good, or is that just sealing it again? I guess that just seals again. All right, there we go. So I got some storage bags here for the staff sergeant to store stuff into. So we're going to keep those two. We're going to keep those two bags. Yeah. So what I got here is a jacket, a nice jacket. The jacket you've seen me wear in all my, the brown jacket I've worn in most of my videos outside and stuff. It has a problem. It's a Levi's jacket from 7 years ago. Anyways, on it, I'll use this one to show you where it is. In the back here, the seam across here, all of a sudden, and I don't know when it happened, it just, because I hang it up there, I look at it all the time when I put it on. I took it off, I thought it was good, go to put it on the next day, and it just, all the threads just disintegrated, going down the side there. There's not even little fuzzies of threads sticking out, just like, all right, what happened? Don't know. The rest of the jacket's still good, but I'm not sure how to repair it. I'm going to have to wait until the staff sergeant gets up here. She's a seamstress. She can figure it out. She can do it. She's amazing. Absolutely incredible. Did I say she's amazing? Anyways, let me get my everyday carry to get this little string off of here. Get the tags off. Do not bleach. Machine wash, cold gentle, tumble dry low, steam iron shell only. Do not dry clean. Cool. I like it when it says, not to worry about dry cleaning. You can do everything else on it. So let's take a look at this thing here. Oh, snaps. Yes. Oh, nice heavy duty zipper. Oh yeah. Inside, I love this. Big pocket on this side. Velcro pocket on this side where I can, kind of hard when it's not on. But I can just stick my glasses down in this one, or I can stick them in the other one. So I have two inside ones there. This thing here is just absolutely the bomb. It's a little bit heavier duty than the Levi one. So yeah, this will work for what's left of this winter, and I'll be wearing it in videos outside. But this is absolutely to die for. I will try to remember to put in the description the link for this if you want to get it. I shopped around, and I'll put the link for you to get this one. This is made by Urban Outdoors. And I compared it with the Duluth Trading ones. This feels like this, as tough as Duluth Trading's on the outside here. And the Carhartts, a bit cheaper. So I got this one instead. All right. So that's the one replacement item. This next one here is, you saw I had, you can read it, pillows. The pillow I'm using is getting wore out. It's a down pillow, goose down pillow. It was my dad's. And after he passed away in 1989, my mom was going to throw it away. No, it's still good. Well, I don't want anybody. No one wants to sleep on it. It's like, hey, I'll take it. And at first, I just used it for camping until I realized, oh, this is better than the pillow I have. And it's one of those. It's a Pacific Coast Feather Company goose down pillow, and it was just absolutely amazing. I went on their website to try to get a replacement one, and their websites, their pillows are great, but the website sucks as far as giving information on, it's kind of ambiguous about what type of pillow it is and stuff. Yeah, they're like 95% goose feathers and 5% goose down, or 100% goose down, and at quadruple the price. So, anyways, I found some other goose down ones on Amazon, and I'll try to remember to put these in there as well. So let me open it up here, the box. Hopefully, it doesn't explode too much, because I can tell this thing here is under pressure. Oh. All right, and it is pushing out on the edges. Careful not to. There we go. I can get it to go like. Oh, good. They had cardboard across on the inside, so they had a cardboard top piece there in between, so you wouldn't accidentally cut through. All right, so this one here has on it, these are queen size, 20 inch by 30 inch. The fill is 90% gray goose feathers, 5% gray goose down. And I'm going to see if I can get it to get out of here. Oh, there's one came. Come on. There comes the other one. All right. All right. Good box toss. And this is what it looks like, all vacuum sealed, squished down. So try to do this without having to use my knife, because I don't want to accidentally cut anything on this one. Got tape here and there. See what I can do here to get this open here. A lot of time. I'm going to have to use the knife. But I'm going to very carefully here, guys. Oh, I got part of the tape here, Karen. Let's see if I can. All right, I got part of an opening here. So there we go. There we go. Push. Oh, I can tell the feathers are poofing out and filling up, and yeah, I mean now it's shake it up here, get them stretching and releasing, and oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So, anyways, I got two pillows, one for me for sure, and the other one, my wife likes to have multiple pillows around her, so I got her a nice queen size one as well. So that's what I got, and these things are. Oh man, see you later. I'm gonna go take a nap. You know, yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. So I got those. I'm gonna leave this one packaged up for her. Put it over on her side, on her dresser in the bedroom there. And when she comes up here, she can open it up and have a nice fresh one for her. And then the grandkids won't be stealing her pillow all the time. They can have the other one she has in there. All right, so that's what I got here to replace stuff that has wore out from years of use. And just remind you, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep that into your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and grow something indoors. All right? Take care, and I'll see you around.